In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail, Keep Notes, and Google Calendar together to streamline your digital life. Whether managing personal tasks or work projects, integrating these tools can enhance your efficiency and organization. Let's dive right in. To start, it's important that you're logged into Gmail, Google Calendar, and Keep Notes with the same Google account. This allows the three tools to communicate seamlessly, enabling your notes and events to sync across platforms. Once you've confirmed that you're signed in with the correct account, head over to Google Keep. You can do this by navigating to keep.google.com. Once you're there, you'll want to begin by creating a new note. Look for the Take a Note option. It's usually right there on the main page as soon as you log in. Click on this to open a new note window. Now, give your note a title and a description. This makes it easier to identify and organize your notes later on. Think of your title as a quick reference, while the description can hold more detailed information. Once you've input all the details, click Close to save your note. You'll find that your note now appears in the Notes section. If you want to add some personal touch to your note, you can customize its appearance. Hover your mouse over the note you've just made and click on Background Options. Here you'll see a variety of colors and graphics you can choose to make your note visually stand out. With your note ready, let's switch gears and talk about Gmail. Open your Gmail and locate an email you'd like to link with your notes or create an event from. Once you've opened the email, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top and click on the three vertical dots, often referred to as More Options. From the drop-down menu, select Create Event. You'll notice that a Google Calendar event draft appears, pre-filled with the title and description from the email. This is a huge time saver and gives you a ready framework to work with. Now within this event view, look to the right side panel and click on the Keep Notes icon. It usually appears as a small light bulb. Your notes will display here, allowing you to easily copy details from your notes to your event. This is where the integration works beautifully, as you can drag your notes and information into your calendar with just a few clicks. Additionally, you can click on Take a Note right from this panel to jot down thoughts or additional information specific to the event. Finally, once everything is in place, remember to click Save to ensure your event, along with any associated notes, is stored in your calendar. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently use Gmail, Keep Notes, and Google Calendar together, making sure your snippets of information and schedules are always at your fingertips. Happy organizing!